Hello, middling modeler here, and this is just the tip. You ever had a sanding stick get a little gunky like this one? This can lead to performance issues. Don't worry, there's a pill for that. There is a device that can help you with this difficulty. It's called an eraser. Just rub the eraser vigorously against the affected spot on your sanding stick, and it'll clear it right up. You see, the grit on the sanding stick will eventually be worn down and cease to function. But in the meantime, by doing this, we're exposing more of the grit more of the time. This is going to improve performance. Thanks for watching. This was just the tip.